Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we are making a red kiwi drink, okay? Red kiwi fruit is a nutrient-dense powerhouse that offers a sweeter berry-like flavor than the green varieties. It will boost your immune system, promote glowing skin, and enhance digestion. And so for this simple recipe, all you're going to do is to take your kiwi, wash it thoroughly, cut it into pieces, peel first, of course. Most of you are watching and not subscribed. If you subscribe, like the video and share, it makes the video go far. Okay, so just check and make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notification bell as well. Thank you for all your support. Now back to the video. After cutting, I went ahead and put the fruits in a blender. And for extra hydration, I added coconut water. You can use water or any type of liquid you prefer. I go ahead and blend the kiwi and the coconut water. I then go ahead and strain for a smooth texture. I added more coconut water because I did not want the drink to be thick. I just wanted something light, and so instead of adding water, I added more coconut water. So I'm getting the benefits from the red kiwi and the coconut water as well. Guys, when I tell you, this drink is so delicious. If you want it sweet, this is the time to add your sweetener, your sugar substitute. I did not add any type of sweetener. This drink is so refreshing. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.